Hello and welcome to JAEHUB. JAEHUB is looking for business administration as work-from-home intern. Business administration is the work of managing an organization's resources, time, and people. Business administration professionals work to ensure that businesses and organizations are run effectively, efficiently, and profitably. Data entry and management, maintaining databases, updating records, and compiling reports. Administrative support, assisting with scheduling, filing, and other administrative tasks as needed. Project assistance, providing support for ongoing projects, including research, data collection and analysis, and report preparation. Customer service, answering phone calls, responding to emails, and assisting customers with their needs. Shadowing and learning, observing and learning from experienced professionals, participating in meetings and training sessions.